Take a moment to check out the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. Relax and enjoy the road trip in this convenient, well-equipped Santa Fe. Crossover versatility, striking looks, the latest infotainment and safety tech, and a spacious, comfortable cabin are yours in this stylish, family-focused SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, navigation system, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, power passenger seat, premium sound system, heated mirrors. Make getting from point A to point B a thing of beauty in this refined and capable Santa Fe. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.